The sizzle and spice of Tamil curry, a culinary adventure. Embark on a culinary adventure and discover the sizzle and spice that make Tamil curry truly irresistible. From the coastal regions of Tamil Nadu to the coastal areas of northern and eastern Sri Lanka, the cuisine boasts a rich tapestry of influences and a mouth-watering array of spices. In this culinary journey, prepare to explore the sizzle and spice that make Tamil curry a unique and flavorful experience. The key ingredients of Tamil curry. The spice mix. Tamil curry powder or curry thole stands as one of the fundamental ingredients in Tamil curry. This carefully selected blend includes dry chili, coriander, cumin, fennel, turmeric, and mustard seeds, adding depth, warmth, and complexity to the curry. Tamarind, a sour fruit, is another key element, providing a delightful tanginess that balances the richness of other ingredients. Fresh herbs such as curry leaves, coriander, and mint elevate the taste and offer numerous health benefits. The art of blending spices in Tamil curry. This spice blend is not just incorporated during the cooking process, it's also used as a finishing touch. The art of blending spices in Tamil curry involves carefully selecting and grinding spices to create a unique flavor profile. The proportions may vary, but the skill lies in finding the perfect balance. Dry roasting whole spices before grinding intensifies their flavors, contributing to the authenticity of Tamil curry. Regional variations in Tamil curry recipes. For those who lack the patience to travel to an airport or seaport, an alternative is to dive into the sea and swim approximately 18 miles from the coastal regions of Tamil Nadu's curry zone or Coromandel to reach the northern part of Sri Lanka, excuse the pun. Indulge in flavoursome Jaffna cools, a distinct seafood soup that originated during the Tamil Portuguese era. This culinary delight, made with a blend of palmyra tree root sprout flour and fresh seafood, is not to be missed. There is so much to try that I can't list all here. Traditional Tamil curry dishes and their significance. Pongal is traditionally cooked in a pot until it overflows, symbolizing abundance and prosperity. Another iconic Tamil curry dish is sambar, a lentil-based curry served with idli, dosa, or rice. Additionally, awaken, a creamy mixed vegetable curry, is a crowd pleaser known for its complex flavors. Vegan and vegetarian options in Tamil curry. Tamil cuisine offers a paradise for plant-based eaters with dishes like aubergine or eggplant rasavangi and parupu kurumbu. Vegetable side dishes, known as poriyal, feature a combination of vegetables, spices, and grated coconut, adding a colorful and flavorful accompaniment to any meal. Health benefits of Tamil curry ingredients. Tamil curry ingredients provide a range of health benefits. Turmeric, with its compound curcumin, has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Curry leaves are rich in antioxidants and have antimicrobial properties, while tamarind aids digestion and promotes heart health. Fresh vegetables used in Tamil curries offer essential nutrients and contribute to a balanced and nutritious meal. Cooking techniques and tips for preparing Tamil curry. Incorporate tamarind. The tangy flavor of tamarind is a signature element in Tamil curries. Soak tamarind in warm water to extract its juice and add it to your curry for that characteristic tanginess. Slow cooking is key to allowing the flavors to meld together and intensify over time. In general, Tamils use tamarind juice for vegetable curries and lime for meat curries. Popular Tamil curry recipes to try at home. Chettinad chicken curry, Meen kurumbu, fish runny curry, awaken, sambar, and sambal are just starting points. Experiment with flavors, ingredients, and spice levels to create your signature Tamil curry dishes. Conclusion: embracing the flavors of Tamil curry in your culinary journey. As you explore the sizzle and spice of Tamil curry, remember to embrace the art of blending spices, the regional variations, and the traditional dishes that define this vibrant cuisine. Tamils use a Tamil Portuguese-era chili powder, chili thole, for their curries. During the British era of both habitats, this was introduced to the Tamil in India. Tamils still use pre-chili era curry paste, a freshly made paste for any minor ailments, which is a far cry from what we have on the shelves of supermarkets. Whether you're a vegetarian, a seafood lover, or a meat enthusiast, Tamil curry has something to offer everyone. Get ready to embark on a culinary journey that will transport you to the vibrant streets of Tamil Nadu and the Tamil areas of north and east of Sri Lanka and introduce you to a world of tantalizing flavors. Let the sizzle and spice of Tamil curry awaken your senses and elevate your cooking to new heights. An important thing to note is that Tamil curry underwent Europeanization during the lengthy 450 years of colonial rule. Happy cooking!